in today's lecture we are going to learn Knapsack problem and memory function. Suppose these are the things are given: item, weight and value, and capacity is given 5. So because these are our items, so we have written like W1, W2, W3, W4 because 4 items are there, and values we are writing V1, V2, V3 and V4. This is the given formula. By this formula we will work on this solution. So I am writing capacity of the J, and because here are 4 items, so I am taking like 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and like this, and here 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, like this I am writing. As capacity is 5, that's why 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We are starting from 0. Item are 4, so 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So initially what we are doing, initial first row and first column value will remain 0. In all it will remain 0. So first we will put 0 everywhere. Then we are taking all these things with this formula, right? So now I value is, this is I value, this is J value, right? This is J value, this is I value. So here I value is 1, right? So we can say like this, I value is 1, right? In both the case, first we'll see what is the value. So I minus 1 is 1, right? 1 minus 1 is 0, and J value is 1 because both I and J value are 1. So F01, right? So here we will see J value is 1, right? So we are writing 1, and Wi means W1 value is 2, right? So 1 minus 2 is minus 1, which is less than 0, So we will put this formula. So its value will be 0, right? So we are writing here 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1. 0th row, first column value is 0. So that's why, because of this, we are putting value here 0, right? Now we will go for next one. So here F, right? Here I value will be 1 minus 1, 0, but J value will be 2. So we are writing 2. So here J value is 2, and W1 is same because this is the first row only, right? This one only. So this value will be 2 only, right? So 2 minus 2 is equal to 0. So this formula will come. Because 1 greater than or equal to 0, then this formula will come. So here F, so we will write here value max 1, right? F, so this value will be 0, 2, right? So we are writing here 0, 2 from here only, and here V1 value is what? Here V1 value is what? 12. So we are writing here 12. Then plus F I minus 1 again, so its value will be 0, and J minus Wi 2 minus 1, J second row, right? So 2, Wi is 2. So we are writing J minus Wi. So it will be like this. So here maximum value is 12. So we are writing here 12. Here again I minus 1 is 0 because I value is 1, right? I value is 1 here. We are talking about this one only. So 0, and J minus Wi. J value is 2 here. W value is here 2. So 0, 0. J value is here 2, right? Wi value is 2. So it will be 0, 0. So its value will be 0. Its value will be 0. So that is the maximum value. So we are writing here 12. So like this we will do. So we will see for next one also. This one, right? 0. So this one 0, 3. So I minus 1, right? I value is 1 only, so 0. J value is 3, so 3, right? So J minus Wi 3 minus 2 greater than 0. J value is 3. Wi again because same row, so 2. 3 minus 2 greater than 0. So again this formula will come, right? So again we will put the value in this formula. So how we will put? So we will write maximum f03 comma v1 is 12 only, right? And f j minus wi, here its value will be 0, I minus 1, j minus wi, j value is 3 minus 2, so 1, right? 0 1 value is 0 1 value is also 0, so again it will be 12, so again we will put here 12, so like this it will come, like this it will come. So 1 minute, yeah, like this it will come. So at the end what we will find out, we will fill like this only, we will do like this only, and at the end what we will find the value will be like this. So 10 10 10 and 12 12 15 22 22 25, here will be 22 22 30 32 30 37. So like this if we do with the same formula, we just need to change the value and we need to put the value by this formula, and we need to see the weight value and the value by the given things, and at the end we will fill this entire table with the help of this formula. So this is all about knapsack problem and memory function. If you like it, share it, subscribe it. Thank you.